I just got my random Amazon package, so let's do a quick haul. First thing in my haul are AAA rechargeable batteries. So I'm a work from home girly, so I got a new laptop stand. So the one I've been using right now is actually Jordan's. So this is actually gonna be for him. This is what it looks like. Next thing I got are AA rechargeable batteries, just some basics. The next thing I got is this cord cover, and this is gonna be used for underneath our TV, so our black cord doesn't bother me. Biggest item in this package is my new tripod. Not only am I work from home girly, I'm a TikTok and YouTube girly. All right, so it looks like it came in two parts. This is the tripod part, and then this is gonna be for the camera. So let's open this part up. Okay, you guys, this tripod looks like it's gonna be amazing. So this part, I really wanted it for my Canon for YouTube. And then this part will be like for my phone for TikTok, and it seems like really good quality. So I'm really excited to try this out. Thanks for watching. You can find all my stuff on my Instagram.